To Chattanooga, not Chattanooga, between Chattanooga and Knoxville. Yung cover doon na may lake inside.
You want to climb in the rock?
No. You can.
How far is that?
Saya, isa semua.
The cave was already there probably, but they had to clear it to expose the, probably. To Caliche Covers is where we went in East Tennessee. Oh, but I wouldn't go unless they improve it, because did you go to before?
Yeah, I